Okay, so this car's got a bad number 2 cam sensor, and it's right here. It's right underneath this hose coming off the airbox, going into the back of the head. Bank 1 is right back here on the back of this one. So if you've got a code and you're suspecting the cam sensor is actually what is bad, I've already rang this car out. Wiring seems fine, so we're going to just replace the cam sensor, and we're going to go number 2 cam sensor right there. So let me get this camera situated. Okay, so all I'm using is a long extension with a swivel. Now, whenever you're doing this, you're really close to the positive battery terminal, so you want to make sure that you don't end up tagging that with the ratchet or extension or anything. Otherwise, you're gonna get a surprise real quick. Now I'm just gonna reach down. There's one bolt that holds it in. $10mm. And that's all there is to it. There's an O-ring on it, so probably isn't a bad idea to just put a little bit of oil on it so that it'll slide in real nice without ripping anything up. I try to line it up the best I can before I put the bolt in it. That way, I'm not trying to have to rotate it around. The lock is broken on this connector. Get on there. So hopefully that will stay okay. Okay, that's all there is to changing out a cam sensor. And like I say, this was the number 2, or the number 2 bank cam sensor. Number 1 is that one over there. Same procedure, just the one on the other bank. So That's all there is to changing out cam sensor. Hey, I also want to tell you about these. These are actually safety glasses, but they're also magnifiers. So these things are great. They look like crap. You definitely don't look good in them, but they do protect your eyes, and you'll be able to see stuff better up close. My eyes aren't what they used to be, and I need reading glasses whenever I read. And a lot of times whenever I'm up close doing stuff, it's tough for me to see stuff. So I bought these. I've had these for about 3 or 4 years now, and they're absolutely great whenever it comes to being able to, see stuff like you need to. And like I say, they are safety glasses. So whenever you're grinding or doing anything like that, it will protect your eyes. I'll put a link to these. I think I got these off Amazon, so I'll put a link to them. So yeah, get you a couple pair of these. They're relatively cheap, and you'll be glad you did. Anyway, that's about it for this. Like I say, got one hose. I've got to go up to the parts store to get that one hose that goes from valve cover to valve cover, and then put this cover here back on, and we're going to be done with this. You guys take care.